In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create nested subtasks in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the task where you want to build your subtask structure. This will be your main task and everything else will be organized underneath it. Once you've found the right task, click on it to open the full task view. Inside the task, scroll down until you see the Subtask section. This is where you can begin creating the first layer of subtasks. Click New Task or Add Subtask, depending on what appears in your workspace, and create your first subtask. This gives you the initial subtask that you'll later use to create another level underneath it. Before you can add a subtask under an existing subtask, you need to make sure nested subtasks are enabled in your workspace. To do that, click your workspace avatar, then open the App Center. From there, go to all ClickUps and search for nested subtasks. When you find it, turn it on. Keep in mind that this setting usually needs to be enabled by a workspace owner or admin, so if you don't have access to switch it on yourself, you may need to ask someone with the right permissions. Once that feature is enabled, return to your original task and open the subtask you want to work under. Inside that subtask, go to its own Subtask section. Then click Add Subtask, type in the name of the new subtask, and click Create. This will place a nested subtask directly under the existing subtask, giving you a more detailed hierarchy for organizing work. After that, go back to the original task and expand the subtasks so you can review the structure. You should now see the main task at the top, your subtask beneath it, and then the nested subtask under that. This makes it much easier to break large projects into smaller, clearly organized pieces. If you want to keep building out your workflow, repeat the same process on other subtasks wherever you need another level of detail. ClickUp supports up to 7 levels of nested subtasks, as long as the nested subtasks ClickUp is configured to allow that depth. This can be especially helpful for complex projects where each task needs several layers of planning. That's how to create nested subtasks in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.